Hi guys, this is pierogi and smoked sausage casserole. I use potato and onion pierogi. You can use any kind you like. You can even use cheese, or you can add ham to this, or you can omit it and make it a vegetarian. But this comes together in less than 1 hour and is really delicious with only a few ingredients. You want to see how I made this? Keep watching. Okay everyone, let me show you the ingredients to make this delicious pierogi casserole. Now you could dump it all in and put it in the oven, but I'm going to do a couple extra steps because you guys know I'm extra. Welcome to my channel, I'm Jennifer. I'm going to be using some potato and onion pierogies I got from Aldi. I'm going to top with some cheddar cheese. I'm going to use it looks like 8 or 9 by 13 pan. I'm going to spray it with some non-cooking spray, non-stick, and I'm going to use a cream of mushroom, and I'm going to thin that out with some chicken broth. I'm going to add a little chopped garlic to it. I'm using smoked sausage, and I have frozen mirepoix of carrots, onions, and celery. And my pierogies are still frozen. Like I said, I could dump this all in the pan and bake it. My oven is set at 350, but I want to soften these vegetables, and I want to get some color on my sausage. So let me turn the camera around. Let's get cooking. And 1 package of smoked sausage, I'm just going to cut into like 1-inch rings. And believe it or not, this is all for me, so I'll eat it over a couple days. My husband will not eat this. He might try it. He doesn't like anything in a white sauce, and if he knew that was cream of mushroom, he would definitely not try this. But yeah, like I said, you could take this and that, because the sausage is cooked. You can just put it all in the pan, cover it, and cook it for about 45 minutes, and you'll have a delicious dinner for your family. And that's why I wanted to add my frozen sauteed onions and celery and carrots, because it makes it a more rounded meal. So I'm just cutting this up. And I forgot to tell you, I'm going to use 1 knob of butter to saute the onions and the celery, because I don't want them hard. So let me get over to the skillet and get these cooking. I'm going to saute the sausage first. And I've got my skillet on pretty high. And just so you know, 3 of them fell on the floor. I just think it looks better if you get some color on the sausage instead of just putting it all inside the casserole. To me, it looks more appealing to the eye. And this is a dry skillet. Okay guys, there you have it, pierogi and smoked sausage casserole. This comes together in less than 1 hour. I've topped it with parsley, and you can leave it meatless. You don't have to add the smoked sausage as I did. Or you could add diced ham, turkey, any kind of protein you like, and the cream of mushroom soup with the added vegetables and garlic really made it delicious. So let me tell you guys my joke. Jake was dying. His wife was at his bedside. He looked up and said weakly, "I have something I must confess." "There's no need to," his wife replied. "No," he insisted. "I want to die in peace. I slept with your sister, your best friend, her best friend, and your mother." "I know," she replied. "Now just rest and let the poison take effect." That is so depraved on so many levels, but you know, oh well. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please hit the notification button if you like videos like this. God bless you all. I want to thank you guys for watching. I absolutely love pierogies. This is absolutely delicious. Serve it with a salad, or you can add different vegetables. You can add a can of mixed vegetables, rinse them or frozen, corn, peas, whatever your family likes. So I hope to see you on the next one. God bless you and your family.